He looks human. He moves like us. But he was forged in fire.
No human touch. Only pure AI precision. Witness the birth of Optimus.
Welcome back to Future FactoryX. Let's build the ultimate workforce.
Aerospace-grade alloys. Light enough for agility. Strong enough for the mission. Molecular forging. We melt the impossible to create a machine that never tires. Growing the foundation. A pelvic structure designed for perfect human-like balance. Cryogenic tempering. Locking the metal into an unbreakable structural bond.
The artificial spine. Engineered to support twice the weight of a human.
Fluid movement. Ball joints polished to the micron for zero friction walking. Synthetic lubrication. Ensuring decades of movement without a single drop of wear.
Atomic level cutting. Every rib calculated for maximum internal protection.
Digital twin verification. The AI confirms every bone is perfectly aligned.
The mark of evolution. A signature that changes the world. Zero contamination. A sterile forge for a revolutionary mind.
Foundation certified. Now, we give the machine its muscles.
The muscles. Powerful linear actuators capable of lifting a ton.
Lower body strength. Building the power to walk, climb, and run.
Carbon fiber tendons. Elastic energy storage for efficient, human-like motion.
Upper body dexterity. The strength of a crane. The grace of a dancer.
Neural pathways. Instant feedback from every muscle to the brain.
Kinetic calibration. Testing the range of motion before the nerves are live.
Autonomous inspectors. Every bolt must be torqued to absolute perfection.
Heat management. Keeping the muscles cool during intense physical labor. The neck link.
Energy link established. Power is now flowing to the limbs.
Tension check. Optimal. The robot is ready to stand.
Internal armor. Protecting the muscles from the hazards of the world.
Power sync complete. The body is ready for its brain.
Internal systems sealed. The machine is structurally complete.
Body confirmed. Next, we give the machine its consciousness.
The brain. A Tesla-designed FSD computer, adapted for humanoid life. Quantum logic. Processing 1 million scenarios every single second. Liquid intelligence. Keeping the AI cool while it solves the world.
The neural network. Connecting every motor to a central thought. Uploading consciousness. Teaching the machine to understand the human world.
Neural training. The robot is dreaming of the factory floor. Equilibrium. Finding the center of gravity in a chaotic world.
Collective intelligence. Every robot shares its learning with the fleet.
Perfect synapses. Data flowing at the speed of light.
Independent thought. The brain stays active even during a reboot.
Neural check complete. 0 logic errors. 0 wiring faults.
Shielding the mind. Protected from radiation and physical impact.
System sync. Successful. The machine is now self-aware.
Umbilical disconnected. The brain is now internal and alive.
Intelligence active. Next, we give the machine its eyes.
Tesla Vision. 8 high-resolution cameras for 360-degree situational awareness.
Seeing the world. Mapping reality in 3 dimensions in real time. The face of the future. A seamless interface for a machine. The hands. 11 degrees of freedom. Built for human-level dexterity. The sense of touch. Feeling the difference between glass and metal. Integration complete. The tools of creation are now attached.
Dexterity test. Passed. Mastering tasks from welding to delicate art. Acoustic awareness. Listening for commands in a noisy world.
The voice. Communicating with humans in a calm, digital tone.
Motor check. 100%. Precision that exceeds human limits.
Visual awakening. Optimus is now looking at the world.
Crystal clarity. A world of data through the eyes of AI.
Sensors. Online. The Guardian is fully aware.
Final assembly check. Every sensor is in its place.
Senses active. Next, we give the machine its energy.
The energy core. Enough power for a full day of work.
Core integrated. The heart of Optimus is now beating.
Power link established. Energy flowing to every limb simultaneously.
Safety first. Total protection for the machine and its master. The skin. Lightweight polymer armor for protection and style. Dressing the machine. The silhouette of the future is born. Seamless protection. No gaps, no weaknesses. Pure elegance. Final seal. The internal intelligence is now fully armored. Indestructible finish. Built to outlast the factories of today. The mark of quality. A name that defines an era. Durability test, nominal. Ready for the toughest environments on Earth. Final skin scan. 0 flaws. Total aesthetic perfection.
The robot is breathing. Optimus is fully assembled. First stand. A giant wakes from its digital sleep.
First steps. Translating code into physical, human-like motion.
Balance test. recalculating weight distribution in a millisecond.
Terrain adaptability, navigating the world as easily as a human.
Precision control, handling life with a soft, robotic touch.
The workforce of tomorrow, mastering every tool in the factory.
Collective movement. The fleet is synchronized. The mission is clear.
Logic verified. The AI is ready for deployment.
The tethers are gone. Optimus is now truly autonomous.
Friendly AI, designed to coexist with humanity. Final health check. Systems 100%. Efficiency absolute.
Future FactoryX. Power that never tires.
Final polish, perfection in every single pixel of reality.
Moving to deployment. The future is finally walking.
The machine is ready. Are you?
Testing complete. Time to ship the revolution.
First-class treatment. Every unit is a masterpiece of AI. Infinite energy. Charging for the next century of work. Individual identity. Tracked by the hive from birth.
Sealed for the journey. Protection until the grand reveal.
Authenticity guaranteed. Only from the Future FactoryX.
Next stop, reality. The workforce has arrived.
A legion of giants, built to build the world.
Autonomous transport. The circle of AI is complete.
Robots building robots. This is the new era. Out of the forge, into the hands of humanity. The first touch, the machine meets its mission. Activation. The world will never be the same again.
Future FactoryX. Power, precision, perfection, human error eliminated.
Don't be left behind. Subscribe for the next evolution.
Future Factory Online.